Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove audio from a video in CapCut PC step by step. This is useful if you want to mute the original sound or replace it with different audio. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then import the video you want to edit. Drag the video onto the timeline. Next, click to select the video clip on the timeline. Then right-click on the video clip. Select Extract Audio. The audio will now appear on a separate audio track below the video. Next, click on the separated audio track to select it. Then press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click the audio track and select Delete. Now play the video to make sure the original audio has been removed. If you're satisfied with the result, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your export settings. Then click Export again to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully removed audio from a video in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut PC tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.